Okay, let's draw this simple model. So on the top plane, we draw the circle. Top plane, circle. I mentioned this 160. Okay, so the feature set, extrude. So extrude 45. So remember the dimension, here it's 45. So dimension not important. That's practicing. Okay, done. So the next step is to draw the slot here. So I need to sketch on this surface. Click on the contextual menu, sketch. Normal 2. So I'm going to draw a circle. Okay, make it for construction only. Dimension this one 120. Okay, next we are going to draw a center line. Vertical one. Okay, remember you can exit the command by pressing the exit key, or you can press the select button, or you can go to the next command. So now I want to draw an arc. So I'm going to draw center point up. Center point up. So I take this as the center. Click. Okay. Let me exit the command one more time. So click the line here. So don't make any reference to any element. Up a bit. Click. So let me draw a line. And then to this one. Okay, I make mistake. The center point of the arc should be coincident to the circle. So let me undo. Okay. So center is here. Click. Click. Let me draw a line. Vertical line. Draw another line. Vertical. Make this line and the arc tangent. Okay. Same thing. So clear the selection. This line and the arc tangent. Dimension this one. 36. Okay, let me convert entity. Convert this edge here. Okay. And I can trim by pressing the mouse and drag. So now this is the sketch. I cut extrude 20. Feature, cut extrude, make it 20. Next thing is that we have to make a hole. Select, sketch. So we can draw a circle. Wake up the center. Dimension this one 18. Feature extrude cut, make it true or. So we have the hole there. So next we're going to pattern the feature. So you need to go to feature, select circular pattern. Direction, simply use this as a direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 items. So 4 items. Feature and feature to pattern. Of course, we have to select this and select this one. Okay, cool. Of course, you can if your feature tree is very long, and if you need to do any addition, it is best that you rename, not cut extrude one, cut extrude two. So maybe you just click one more time. You can say base, enter. So easier for you to edit your model. Okay, now the next thing is I'm going to draw a circle on this surface. Click sketch. Number 2. So draw circle. Diameter 60. Cut extrude 20. So go to feature, cut extrude 20. Already 20. And next thing is that you're going to draw another hole. Select the surface, sketch. So we can draw a circle. $40. It's fully defined. So cut extrude or true. Okay, next we are going to create a angular cut here. So from the front plane, sketch. Number 2. So you draw a line coincident to the edge here, and sure that there's a reference line down there, because you just bring down and then you bring the mouse up, click. Yes, dimension this one. Remember, don't keep this dot here, otherwise you can't do dimension. Now I can drag the sketch. So the best thing is that you draw another center line. Okay, make this center line, click vertical. So now it's fully defined. So we need to cut the extrude 25 mm. The feature, cut extrude, midpoint, mid plane, 25. So now we can mirror this feature over. So you mirror over, So you go to Feature tab, and then you select Mirror. So mirror, face or plane, then you must select the plane. So this plane cannot. You see that is top cannot, so must be right. So I click right. Feature to mirror feature. Of course, this color is right. So the model is completed. Thanks for watching the video.